How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys the most precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And I want to go over ticker NVIDIA because they have earnings coming up, and everyone is looking forward to see where the market goes based on this earnings, if it tanks or goes way up. And I want to show you guys exactly what my system is telling me what to do, as I have been trading this system for over 6 years to catch precise reversals to make a lot of money. And if you stay till the end, do keep in mind I have a premium Discord that is only $6 a month, and I give out my favorite trades that are highly successful and to make you guys a lot of money with entries and exits, and I'll be in the YouTube comment section below. But let's get to right where you guys wanted to see is NVIDIA. What is it looking at? Where is the top? Or is this just going to keep going on up? Because as we all seen, SMCI went down brutally. And this is the same tactic I'm going to use on SMCI, where I caught the top on that. So what you want to look at is the three bands. You have the red band is your sell zone, the bottom band is your buy zone, and the blue band is your middle band, and that is where price has to correct to. I like to use it as an ocean wave. When price goes up, it goes back. When price goes down, it goes back up to it. So let's see where some of the things we're getting here. Obviously, we're getting more sell zones since the market has just been going up like crazy. But let me show you exactly what we have here. On the daily, right in here, you have accumulation of sells. The market makers were luring in retail traders, and then they flush them out and go right back to the blue band here, making a lot of money on puts. Right in here, we get close to the green band, but NVIDIA's just been a strong stock, and it's just didn't get quite to my buy zone, and it just started going up from there. But as you can see, just these little gaps in this blue band, price is always filling these gaps. Right in here, it hasn't touched the blue band in a while, and then we get a touch right in here. So what you want to see here, I'm going to show you guys the weekly time frame. This is what we're looking at. The weekly time frame gives you that nice solid signal of where these plays are going to go, and then we're going to go to the daily. So this is just weekly. So right in here, we go down a little, make nice little gains, and then we go down and flush right in here. What are we looking at right here? We are above the red band on the weekly. So that is a check mark for big cap stocks. We always look at weekly. So now let's look at daily for a precise entry. So on the daily, what you want to see is a candle like this, where it goes straight above the red band, and you want to look for a high K. The K on this one, if you look at my indicator right here, I use KDJ. It is an oscillator that looks for an overextended or oversold. So I have calculated numbers that I look for, and a 90 is pretty freaking high. But you want to look for a 94. Obviously, you've seen this one, 91, make some nice little gains on puts right in here if you got this, and then it went down a lot, obviously this wick. So make some nice little money here, make some nice money here when it went down a little. So you're making nice little scalps, but this is obviously going to be your option plays for these bigger cap stocks. But honestly, this could easily go what it's been doing, like treading along here. This could easily go right above here. Let me show you SMCI. This is what I would love to see if earnings happens. You want to see a big, massive thing above the red band like this, and then you just make massive money on this. I was alerting the top on this one. It was very beautiful. Nice accumulation right here, and there's a massive red candle, and made massive money on that. That's what I want to see on NVIDIA earnings. I think we can get that. Obviously, it can go straight down to the blue band, but it is a risk because earnings is on 221. I recommend not playing it. The only way I would play this, if the earnings makes it go up, buy some puts in this black area, because every time it goes in this black area, it does fall down. And like I said, the blue band is a good indication of like when the price has to hit it. The longer it takes that it has not hit the blue band, the more swiftly it would be. And then earnings would be a good indication that it could possibly do that. So the last time we touched it was January 5th. It is February 19th, so it's a little more than a month. I've seen stocks not hit for a month to 2 months in the longer time frames, but this is going to be a swift, violent move to this downside. Because as you can see, the stock moves in waves. You go up, and it touches. You go up, touches. Go down, touches. This is very rarely do you get a long freaking wave of it not touching. This is what you call a violent uptrend short squeeze going in here, where we're reaching high levels of ATR. But no worries, it will touch it, and you'll make massive money on your puts. I will definitely alert this in my Discord once I see a nice solid put play. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, like I said, it is only $6, and we look for exact entries, just like how SMCI just massively tanked. We're looking for NVIDIA for puts, for it to go way above it, above the band, and I'm looking for a nice, there's more things I look for, but I'm looking for a nice gap up, and then a gap to the correction. Gap down for correction. Because right now, it's impossible to play it due to earnings. Everyone's just going to be gambling. You want to play it after earnings. And if it does go down, then, you go to another trade. But if it goes up, it's definitely a trade that I would be willing to take. So anyways, guys, I thank you so much for watching this. If you guys want to see my favorite trades, it's only $6. And if maybe you want to see my just the trade alerts, I have exactly right here. It says limit order to buy such and such, and I give you guys the exact price before I get in, and then I give you an exit plan. No other really Discords would do that. They will charge you hundreds of dollars, and they just give you a watch list, and they'll say one of these stocks will go up big. And yes, out of 10 stocks, I'm sure one will go up, but you also backhold a lot of them. This, we look for 1 to 2 stocks, we narrow in on it, highly successful trades, and go in on it. I also have my setup video for how you guys trade like a pro, and you can get the exact indicators and how to use these more effectively in a 30-minute video that I teach about this system. Like I said, a brief about the system. I've been doing this for over 6 years. I've been able to beat the market and make consistent money, even though that most traders lose. I was able to quit my job and do this full time. So I am living proof of a unique system that I developed because I got tired of losing, and I'm a reversal type of player. Yes, trend is your friend, but I like to be early and make those massive gains. Just like this, guys, right here. I do not want to go in when there's just a massive candle already down, and then I want to ride this little wave to this blue band, which is very little profit when it could easily go up. That's what we're looking for in NVIDIA. You want to be able to spot a change in trend, and let me tell you, this is changing trend very soon. And that's my analysis, and my price prediction obviously is the blue band at $669. Could very easily go there, and then the top band is at 760. That's where we would want a retest of for shorts. But yeah, join the Discord. You had nothing to lose. Only $6. I promise you, you will make a lot of money. Cancel anytime if you want. But what will happen is you'll be directed into this free chat where we have 1,000+ members. So a lot of people like it, and you'll just click on this premium chat, and you'll be opted in to subscribe. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about NVIDIA. Is NVIDIA going to go up or going to go down in the earnings? Let me know. But I'll definitely be watching it, and I hope to see you guys all in the premium Discord where we can all find out, these reversals and make lots of money together and beat Wall Street. Let's go, guys. Let's make some money.